Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. If you are trying to recover from hair loss, hair breakage, hair shedding, or you want to regrow your hair, this DIY recipe I'm about to share with you will help you to solve that problem. So please watch the video to the end to understand the perfect way to use this recipe for that best results. Our main ingredient on today's video is green tea. Do not let down on green tea. Green tea is very effective. Green tea contains properties that will help to block the cause of hair fall, hair shedding, hair breakage. Okay, so using green tea on your hair regimen will solve that problem for you. Only thing you need to do is to know the best way to use this recipe. So you need to watch this video to the end. In today's video, I will show you the best way to use this green tea to solve that hair problem, because when your hair stop falling, shedding, your hair will become more thicker. You're going to have chance to retain more length. Okay, so it's not to prepare the tea is the problem. The problem is to know the perfect way to use it to get that best results. Okay, so I just bring my jar container and open my 2 bag of my green tea, pour in my hot water on it. I will leave it until once the tea is cooled down, like 5 to 6 hours. This my green tea will be ready. I'll just keep it aside. You can infuse it longer or you can infuse it lesser. Okay, once the water is cool, this is ready to be used. So once my water is cool, after the 6 to 7 hours, this is what I have so far. My green tea is ready to be used. As you can see, the water have gotten more cloudy or more darker than earlier, showing that the green tea have released a nutrient into the water. So what I will do now, bring this my bowl to transfer it. Okay, next thing is to transfer it into my spray bottle. You can also boil this, okay, if you want it to be very fast. If you don't have that much time to infuse it for hours, just boil it. Okay, and it's very easy. Okay, it's more faster than infusion method, but I choose infusion method. So after transferring it into my spray bottle, this is how it look like. So this is how my hair is. This is the main important part that you don't need to skip, because you have to know the technique on how to use this on your hair for you to see that best results. This is the moment that you don't need to skip. So do not skip this video if you really want to solve that your hair fall, hair shedding, hair breakage. This green tea will help you on that, and this recipe I'm about to share with you will help you to solve that problem. So this is how my hair is. First of all, my hair is fresh wash. Okay, I just finished shampooing my hair. I prepare this tea when I'm about to shampoo my hair. So after shampooing my hair, do all that things, then this green tea is ready for me to use. Okay, so I'm going to pour this on my hair. I was using my spray, okay, but I finally transfer it into my bowl so that I will just pour it on my hair, because the spray will take me longer. Okay, so I just pour it into this my bella. Okay, so I'm going to use this now and be pouring all over my hair. Green tea help treat and tackle dandruff and freaky hair. It moisturizes the scalp and prevents dryness, stop hair fall and hair shedding. Okay, there's many other benefits on using green tea on your hair. That's just do your research and you know that green tea is a very good recipe. It's a very good DIY. You don't need to joke with. After pouring this thing all over my hair, I have poured them all over my hair. I make sure that this green tea have penetrated all over my hair. The work starts. Next thing I will do now is to deep condition my hair on top of this green tea. This is the one way you can get best results. Just keep on watching. It's not only to deep condition my hair, there's another thing I will show you in this video. Okay, so I will collect my deep condition. You can use any deep conditioner of your choice, but what I'm using now is my mega growth deep condition. Okay, so I will use it now to deep condition my hair on top of the green tea. On top of that green tea, I have not rinsed the green tea out. Immediately I pour the green tea on my hair, I follow up with this deep condition. You need to pay close attention so that you can get that best result you desire. Okay, so I will use this my deep conditioner to deep condition my hair, to apply it all over my hair. Okay, and while using deep condition, there's another thing that a lot of us make a mistake on. If you're applying deep condition on your hair, especially all this store bottle deep condition, please avoid your scalp scalp. Do not deep condition your scalp, okay? Just deep condition made for strength of hair, unless you are using DIY's deep condition. That's the only way you can apply on your scalp. But if you are using store bottle deep condition, please don't use them on your scalp. They can clog up your pores, okay? So I'm just applying it a little bit of it in my edges, okay, because it's very necessary I apply this on my edges so my edges can also get the good part of it, okay? So after then, I give myself a little scalp massage again and use my shower curl to cover my hair. I will allow this to sit on my hair for 1 good hour. 1 good hour, but I can like to sit less than, but for the best result, I like this to sit on your hair for 1 good hours, okay? After 1 hour, I'm back in the bathroom, so I'm going to rinse this out of my hair. Rinse it out of your hair very well. Don't use shampoo. Do not use shampoo. Just rinse out, okay? So that this green tea will do a great work on your hair. Just rinse it out of your hair, okay? And for you to see best result, don't use green tea after using it, shampoo your hair. Please don't do that. You will not have that good result. You will have result, but it will not be that pronounceable result. That result will not be that faster. You will not get that faster results. If you want faster results, use it the way I just show you now. There's still another way you can use this green tea to solve that hair for hair shedding, and that video will be coming on your way very soon, okay? So this one now is the one way you can use this green tea for best results. I will share another tip for you to also how you can use this green tea for best results. I hope that this video is very helpful. So after rinsing it out, the next thing I will do now, I will follow up. I will just nap my hair and moisturize my hair immediately. Don't skip this part. Immediately you rinse out that deep condition with your green tea out of your hair, follow up with your moisturizer and oil your scalp. Do not skip this part, okay? It's very necessary so that your hair will not have chance to dry, because when your hair dry and brittle, lead to shedding, hair breakage, okay? So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? And turn on your post notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video, okay? Like this video, okay? If you have not liked, please help me to like this video. It really encourages me. This is the way you can support me, okay? So I can bring, so that I will have the courage to put more good content out there for you guys, okay? And your liking help the growth of the channel. Thank you so much, and share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on how to use green tea to solve that their hair problem. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Is the baby girl Glory. Bye. Mwah.